What's up guys? In this tutorial, I will show you how to fix the problem when Steam icons for games are missing on your PC. First, if a desktop shortcut icon is missing, right-click on the game's shortcut and select Properties. In the Properties window, click on the Web Document tab, then select Change Icon. Next, click Browse and then navigate to where Steam is installed on your PC. For most users, unless you choose a custom installation location, it will be in This PC, Local Disk C, Program Files, and then Steam. Once in the Steam folder, scroll down to find yet another Steam folder. Open it and head to the Games folder. You should find the icon file for the game here. Select it, click Open, then Apply, and OK to save the changes. The game icon should now be restored on your desktop. If the game icon is missing from the Steam library, open Steam and locate the game in your list on the left side. Right-click on it and select Properties. In the left menu, click Installed Files. Then choose Verify Integrity of Game Files. This will scan and repair any missing or corrupted game files, including the game's icon. Once the verification is complete, try checking for the desktop shortcut again and reapply the icon if necessary. I hope this helped you out. Leave a comment if you have any questions and see you in the next one.